Pickleball Nation, welcome back to Consumer Heaven. Today, we're diving into something that might seem simple at first, but actually makes a huge difference in how you play: the ball itself. That's right, we're counting down the top 5 pickleball balls in 2025. Now, you might think a ball is just a ball, but trust me, once you start playing regularly, you realize how much factors like durability, bounce consistency, and flight stability matter. A great ball can give you long, smooth rallies, while a bad one can wobble, crack, or completely kill the pace of the game. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the best pickleball balls on the market right now, ranking them from number 5 all the way to the top pick. Make sure to stick around until number 1, because it's the ball trusted by the pros at the US Open, and for good reason. Let's jump right in. Number 5, Yo Tiger Pickleball Balls. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Yo Tiger Pickleball Balls. These are one of the more budget-friendly choices out there, but they pack in a lot of value, especially for recreational players. The bright, high-visibility design makes it easy to track the ball during rallies, even under bright sunlight, which is a big plus for outdoor play. They use the standard 40-hole construction, which gives them a decent balance of flight and durability, and they're available in a wide range of packs, from a small 4-pack for casual play, all the way up to a massive 36-pack if you're stocking up for a club or community center. Now, the reason Yo Tiger sits at number 5 on this list is that while they're a great practice ball, they don't always deliver the same consistency as some of the higher-end brands. The bounce can vary slightly from ball to ball, and if you're playing in competitive matches, that inconsistency might start to bug you. That said, for beginners, families, or anyone running a lot of casual games, these are an affordable way to keep the rallies going without worrying about breaking the bank. Number 4, Vigil Premium Outdoor Pickleballs. At number 4, we have the Vigil Premium Outdoor Pickleballs. These balls are actually USAPA approved, which means you can bring them into sanctioned tournaments, and they're designed with what Vigil calls true flight technology. That basically means they've been engineered to minimize wobbling during play, giving you a smoother and more predictable trajectory. They're also durable, the kind of ball that doesn't go soft too quickly after a few games on rough outdoor courts. One of the things I like about Vigil is the value they offer. You can pick them up in small packs if you just need a handful, or larger sets if you're playing every week. They strike a nice balance between affordability and performance, making them a solid option for players who want something better than the cheapest balls but don't necessarily need to pay top dollar for pro-level gear. The only downside is that Vigil isn't as widely known as brands like Franklin or Joola, so some players overlook them. But if you give them a shot, you might be pleasantly surprised at how well they perform. Number 3, Selkirk Pro S1 Ball. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Selkirk Pro S1. Selkirk is a huge name in pickleball paddles and gear, and they've brought that same innovation into their ball design. What makes the Pro S1 stand out is its unique 38-hole construction. Most pickleball balls have 40 holes, but Selkirk has fine-tuned the aerodynamics here to create a ball that flies straighter, resists wobble, and actually lasts longer before cracking. Durability is one of the biggest complaints players have with pickleballs, and Selkirk has clearly addressed that with this design. On the court, the Pro S1 feels smooth and responsive. The bounce is consistent, and it maintains its shape even after several games, something not every ball can claim. The crack-resistant material definitely holds up better than many standard balls. The only caveat is that if you're used to playing exclusively with 40-hole balls, the slightly different feel of the 38-hole design may take a little adjustment. But once you get used to it, the benefits are clear. You get longer-lasting balls with fewer mid-game cracks and a flight path that feels stable and reliable. For players who are serious about their game but want something innovative, the Pro S1 is a great option. Number 2, Joola Premium Pickleballs. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Joola Primo. If you've been following the pickleball world, you know that Joola has become one of the most respected brands, especially since they signed world champion Ben Johns. Their gear is top-notch, and the Joola Primo pickleballs are no exception. These are USAPA approved and built with tournament-level precision. The 40-hole design is carefully engineered to give you a stable, true flight every time, and the weighting feels spot on, not too heavy, not too light. What I love about the Joola Primo is how versatile it is. These balls work beautifully both indoors and outdoors, so if you're a player who switches between court types, you won't have to constantly swap out balls. They're also very durable, holding up well against repeated play without going soft too quickly. The only real drawback here is the price. These are premium balls and you're paying for that premium quality. But if you're the kind of player who values consistency and wants a ball that performs at a high level every single game, then the Joola Primo is worth the investment. Number 1. Franklin Sports X40 Outdoor Pickleballs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Franklin Sports X40. Honestly, it's no surprise that the X40 tops this list. This ball has become the gold standard in pickleball and is used as the official ball of USA Pickleball, the APP Tour, and the US Open. If you've ever watched professional pickleball matches, chances are you've seen the Franklin X40 in action. So what makes it so good? For one, the 40-hole design is perfectly balanced, giving you a consistent bounce and flight every time. These balls perform reliably on outdoor courts, even when the surface is a bit rough. They're regulation size and weight, and they've become the benchmark by which all other balls are judged. Now, like any pickleball, they're not indestructible. They can crack, especially in cold weather, but their overall consistency and reliability are what make them the go-to choice for both amateurs and pros. Simply put, if you want to play with the same ball the pros trust, the Franklin X40 is the one to get. So there you have it, the top 5 pickleball balls of 2025. To recap, Yo Tiger is a great entry-level ball for casual play. Vigil offers a nice balance of value and performance. Selkirk's Pro S1 brings innovation and durability with its 38-hole design. Joola Primo delivers top-tier quality for serious players, and the Franklin X40 remains the gold standard at number 1. No matter what level you're at, choosing the right ball can make your game smoother, more competitive, and a lot more fun. I'll leave links to all of these balls down below so you can check them out for yourself. If you found this countdown helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more pickleball gear breakdowns, and drop a comment letting me know which ball you've been playing with lately. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you out on the courts.